My name is Wayne C. Robinson. If you own a vacation club membership in Mexico and want to get out without any legal issues or credit rating problems, I can help you. I worked in Mexico as a salesperson and contract specialist in Cancun, Mazatlan, and Cabo San Lucas for many years. I sold millions of dollars of timeshares or vacation club memberships to foreigners just like you. The difference in my sales tactics and those around me is that I always sold with integrity. Now I work for you, the consumer. Review this project for more information. To begin, you must create an account with Upwork. This will help ensure that your process is smooth and you get exactly what you pay for. I don't get paid until the job is done. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to serving you soon.